this video, we're gonna cover the 3 most common mistakes that brand new swimmers make when they're trying to learn how to kick, and then 3 pro tips that you can do to immediately improve your kicking. Come check out the video. Common mistake number 1, our feet are flexed upright instead of our toes pointed. Check this out. This is a flex foot. Notice how it doesn't matter how hard we're kicking, we're not going anywhere. Our feet can't come up to the top of the water, and that's one of the major reasons why we're not going forward. Watch how quickly our body adjusts when we go from having a flexed foot to a pointed toe. Check this out. Now I start pointing my toes, watch my feet come up to the surface, and immediately I start moving on top of the water. Common mistake number 2, our kicks are way too shallow. Pro tip number 2, make sure we have about a foot of depth between our kicks. If you're looking for the full Learn to Swim experience, come to the Caribbean with me and my wife Meredith for a 6-day Learn How to Swim retreat in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We'll teach you how to swim without fear and 100% confidence guaranteed. Check it out. Common mistake number 3, we are trying way too hard and using way too much energy to try and move forward. Just take about 30% off of the gas pedal when we're kicking, so our legs don't eat up so much of our oxygen and make us fatigue so quickly. Point your toes. Make sure your kicking is about a foot deep, and take about 30% off the gas pedal, and you will have the secrets to kicking just like a pro. If you need more support on your kicking, leave a comment in the comment section. We'll be sure to help you out. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe to our page, like our video, click the little bell. That way you get notified every single time we put out a new video that'll help you learn how to swim. See you guys at the next one.